Asil and welcome to another video. So today we are going to be doing an experiment. It's called the volcano experiment. The materials are vinegar, baking powder, some food coloring, a spoon, and a plastic bottle that I cut the top off, and also a plate like this. The plate is also used for when the volcano spills, it won't come anywhere. So first you're going to take the vinegar and put it inside. Just like that. To take the food coloring and put some in. Just like that. Now we have to take the spoon and mix it well. Okay, now we are going to put the mixture in the plate. Now we are going to take a little bit of the baking powder. Now we are going to take the baking powder and open it. Now we are going to put some baking powder in the mixture. Guys, look at the chemical reaction. Whoa, that's cool. Let's add some more. Whoa. Add a little more vinegar. Whoa, that's cool. Let's add the baking powder. Cool. Whoa. That was awesome. Guys, you can make this experiment by yourself or with the help of your parents. This is a really fun experiment for young children and teach them about volcanoes. All the materials you need is from your kitchen. You don't need to buy anything from the store. And guys, also smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. Tell me in the comments down below, did you like the video? Bye, see you next time.